Hello there and welcome to yet another video. My name is Jackie Empowers Ngomesia. I know you've been looking at this wonderful opportunity called LurraLife, and I know you're looking for a great environment where you're going to have good leaders. You're going to have someone who can hold your hand. You don't want to get into the business and be left alone. You don't want to get into any kind of network marketing business and direct sales and don't have the correct leadership or a strong leader to lead you. The reason being that no one, absolutely no one can take you where they haven't been. So it is important that when you find a great opportunity like LurraLife International or LurraLife Africa, your next step, your very next step is to find a leader that can hold your hand, a leader that you have access to 24/7, a leader who can mentor you, who can coach you, a leader who can show you the ropes, a leader who is interested in you, a leader who is interested in your success, a leader who wants to see you get to the top in as little time as possible. So I just want to invite you to take a look at us. We are LurraLife Team Dominion, and we do have a great leader. We are being led by one of the top leaders in LurraLife. Her name is Miss Bumi Moore. She is a motivational speaker. She is an author. She is a great coach and mentor. She is absolutely phenomenal, very intelligent, very resourceful. You can't go wrong with her. So look no further for your leadership. Look no further for a coach. Look no further for a mentor. We got you, Africa. LurraLife Africa, this is the environment you want to belong to. This is the place where you want to belong to, where we love you. We lead with love, where we want to see you make sales. We want to see you recruit and build a big team in Africa. And not just that, we will come to Africa. We will be in South Africa. We will be in Namibia. We will be in Ghana. We will be in Zambia. We will be in Cote d'Ivoire. We will be in Cameroon. We will be there with you to help you build your team. If you're ready to join LurraLife Team Dominion, where we are being led by our upline, Bumi Moore, please just look in the description box. There is a link for you to get started. There is my email address and my Facebook contact information. We can't wait to have you. We can't wait to begin to show you the ropes. We can't wait to see you on stage. We can't wait to celebrate your success. I will see you in the inside. God bless you.